Hello and welcome back to the SPRO video channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at something a little bit different. We're going to be taking a look at our intercom kits. Now, like all intercoms, this will enable communication between the interior and exterior of the building, allowing you to screen any visitors and ensuring only authorised people are allowed entry.
However, this intercom kit provides added functionality by seamlessly integrating with our CCTV system, and both can be managed by the same app. This makes it a flexible system for installers, as well as providing end users with a genuine sense of security. You just need to make sure you've got a PoE switch to use it with, and then you'll have everything you need to get it set up. So as you can see, it comes as a kit. We've got the outdoor station here, and this is what any visitors are going to see when they call to request entry. We've got the surface mount junction box for the outdoor station, and then we've got the indoor monitor, which is going to be used internally by those either allowing or denying access. And as I mentioned previously, you will need to go back to a PoE switch with this kit, so please make sure you've got one of those available as well. So if we take a closer look, you'll see the outdoor station is made of metal, it has anti-vandal protection, and is IP65 rated because it's going to be exposed to weather and potentially vandals. It has a 2 megapixel camera module fitted with a 160-degree view angle. Its wide angle camera means that whether a visitor is standing particularly close or an unwanted visitor is attempting to hide out of view, you should always be able to see who is requesting entry. Below this, we've got 3 indicator lights that show the visitor the status of their call. This one lights up when calling, this one when the visitor is in communication, and the third one signifies that the door has been unlocked. We've also got the speaker here so that the visitor can hear the response from whoever is controlling access. Next, we have the touchscreen monitor. This is a 7-inch TFT capacitive monitor, and this is where the owner of the system will confirm authorization with the visitor via the two-way audio functionality provided by the microphone and speaker, and then use the touch screen to unlock the door. Okay, let's show you how to get this set up. Once you've connected a power supply to the PoE switch here, you're then going to want to take a network cable and connect that to the PoE switch as well. Plug that into the outdoor station here. And we'll do the same thing again, plugging it into the PoE switch and then into the indoor monitor here. And that's all it takes. At that point, you'll be ready to do the config entirely through the indoor monitor with no need for an additional laptop. Now, let's take you through the initial configuration. Again, this is done entirely through the indoor monitor. It will first ask you to select a region and pick a language. We'll select United Kingdom and keep the language at English for this demonstration. Push OK. Now, you can add up to 5 additional monitors for an apartment complex, but we have only one, so we'll select Villa and push OK. We're going to be doing a first time config, and rather than letting DHCP assign an IP address, we want to set up a static IP. Next, you'll be asked to enter a 6-digit password for the indoor monitor itself. You'll also be asked to enter an email for recovery purposes. You'll be asked to go through a similar process for the outdoor station, but with an alphanumeric password, so make sure it contains letters and numbers. Once we've completed that, we'll push OK, and you'll be at the search device screen. On the left hand side, you'll see local, which is the indoor monitor, and VTO, which is the outdoor station. We'll hit initialize on both of those, and it will show as initialized once both are complete. Push next, and we'll be at the network configuration screen. Here, what we need to do is edit the time and date on the outdoor station. So let's go ahead and get that done now. we'll change both the date and the time, and once that's completed we'll hit OK and push one key config. It will take a few moments to configure, and that's it. Both the indoor monitor and outdoor station are set up. When you're back at the home screen, push monitor and VTO to view the live footage from the outdoor station. And if you push the back button and IPC, here is where you would see the rest of the CCTV cameras on your system. Let's now demonstrate how the intercom kit would be used. A visitor would approach the outdoor station and call to request entry from whoever is controlling access. Internally, the indoor monitor will ring and show footage from the outdoor station. At that point, they would either answer to speak to the visitor, reject the call, or push the padlock symbol to unlock the door. You can also access the outdoor station from your phone. Within the app, push plus symbol, scan, and scan the QR code that appears on the monitor when you push the QR symbol here. This will connect your phone once you've entered the correct alphanumeric password that we set up earlier for the outdoor station. Give the device a name and enter that correct password here. And once you've done that, you'll then get a live view of what the outdoor station sees, which we can see here. And from there, if you want to receive notifications on your phone of calls made at the outdoor station, you can enable those like so. And as you can see, once that's set up, you'll get notified on your phone when someone calls at the outdoor station, and you'll be able then to see who is calling to gain entry and even unlock the door once you've confirmed the visitor is authorized via the two-way audio. All this from the same app you would also use to monitor your CCTV system.
Hopefully now you can see that intercom kits are a simple and effective way for the owner of the system to ensure that only authorized people are granted access to the building, whilst providing the end user with complete control over their entry system. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe so you don't miss any future videos from us here at SPRO.